Okay, in this episode, my daughter is on the tools. I throw a drill away. I kick a ball for my dog. And I become a French miming artist. But first my daughter calls me into the van because she wants to play and watch Daddy work. She loves getting stuck in, my Jessica. I'm scratching back the rust and it's creating a little bit of dust. Oh, that's my daughter's mother. She'll kill me if I put that in. That's it, daddy, daughter's time before they go home. Okay, the girls have gone back home now. It's Sunday night. Now let's get to work. What I'm doing here, I'm using a wire brush on a combi drill to scrape back all the rust. There's a little bit of rust, you got to dig into the corners, scratch back all that rust, because when you come to start living in it and spending time in the van, it's going to create condensation, and that's just going to add to the rust. That's a little tidy up now, just to brush away all the dust. Fail to plan. Plan to fail. I've realised the impact driver is actually faster than a combi driver, so I've got rid of the combi. And that's my dog Bella. She is hounding me for that ball. She is absolutely non-stop. Wherever I look, there's a ball. Right, now these are bubble wrap dodo sound deadening mats, and they're self-adhesive, as you'll see now. So just peel that back and stick them on, and this will take away the vibrations in the panels as you're driving, just to reduce any road noise, outside noise, all that kind of stuff. Take your time, do it properly, cut them to size, there's no rush. I have ordered a metal roller. It's like a rolling pin but a metal version, and you can really squash in the bubbles on this stuff. Which will make it stick even better and work even better, but there's a bit of delay on the deliveries. Oh, little dance here, hello. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so I scratched back all the rust with the wire wool on the combi drill, but now it's time for the white smooth hammerite. So I'm just going to treat all that now, so it's going to help protect it for years to come. There's lots of different stages to go through before the fun stuff, but these are little niggly jobs you need to do if you want a van that's going to last a long time. Get these little niggly jobs out the way. Do it once, do it properly. That's it. The main bit, this part I'm doing here and there, that was the main part. Because I remember when I jet washed the van, as you'll see in the previous video, we wasn't quite on an incline, so there was a lot of standing water, and most of it was right in our centre strip. A little touch up on the ceiling, I've also got a few Dodo bubble wrap same deadening mats on the ceiling. On the next video I'll show you, I'll knock on one panel, an empty panel like a basic panel, and then knock on a panel which has got the same deadening, and you can really hear the difference. Little touch up here, little touch up there with the white hammeroids. Now the panels of this van wasn't too bad for its age. I mean, the van is 10 years old, 11 years old, so it wasn't too bad. I think the ply lining in the floor has been done most of his life. Oh my god. Right, now here, whenever you're using hammeroids or any gloss paint, don't try and wash the brushes, just fucking chuck them away. Two paintbrush or three paintbrush, fucking chuck them away. They're not worth trying to clean because it is an absolute bloody nightmare. So anyway, I've used some paint thinner, poured it on my hands, washed them, job done. But the brush is knackered, so I just chucked that in the bin. Okay, so I've had a parcel delivery of more same deadening. Woohoo! Here we go. I love all this part. Now the build starts coming on now. This is where it starts getting exciting and interesting because you can see it coming together slowly. Not every panel is the same shape or the same measurement, so just take your time. I've got a Stanley blade, I've got a measuring tape. Do it properly. Do it once, job done. There's no point in rushing it and getting it wrong and then finding problems later down the line, because it'll be a complete waste of fucking time. I tell you what though, I should have wore gloves doing this because I cut myself a few times, like hairline paper cuts, because the corners of this foil stuff is quite thick. Sliced myself a few times. It's all these little nooks and crannies now. Now eventually I'm going to put some recycled plastic insulation in the little tiny gaps, which I'll do on the next video. I haven't bought it yet, but I have. It'll be delivered this week. And a bit of same deadening over the wheel arch. Now this is a bit more awkward because of the shape, so I've had to cut it and fold it and try and compact it or compress as much as possible. Now I started the floor. I've had to cut lots of strips because it's kind of wavy like corrugated, so I've had to cut lots of strips and put it in the lowest part. But then the battery went dead on the camera, so I didn't get much with this. If you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one.